The next thing we'll want to do is designate the default workflow user. The default workflow user is required for time-dependent workflows used by Marketing Cloud Connect. This username is displayed when the user who triggered the rule is not active. You can skip this task if you already use time-dependent workflows and a default workflow user is already designated in your Salesforce org. With that being said, let's go ahead and designate the default workflow user. So on the setup page, I've typed in process automation into the quick find bar, and I'm going to click process automation settings. And then I'm going to choose my default workflow user. Somebody with system administrator permissions needs to be the default workflow user. It's suggested that the Salesforce system user that we created in a previous video is the person that you should use for the default workflow user. Once you designate that user and then put them here, you'll click Save. And once you click Save, you'll come to this setup box here and you'll type in Session Settings. And then you'll click Session Settings. And when you get to this Session Settings page, all you're literally going to do is click Save. You're not going to make any changes. You're just going to click Save. And once that's finished, you'll click these 9 buttons here next to Setup. And in the search bar here, you'll type in Marketing Cloud and click Marketing Cloud. And then you'll be taken to this remote site verification. And you'll read this information here. And then you'll click Verify Remote Site. And then you'll see that you've successfully added the Metadata API remote site. Click OK to continue. And for most people, you'll do the automatic setup. So to set up the Marketing Cloud connector, you'll just click Start Wizard. And then you'll read the pre-installed default workflow user instructions here. And you'll click Next. And then you'll read the pre-install session settings information here. And then you'll click Next. And read pre-install field level security settings. And click Next. And then read the pre-install update page layout settings. And click Done. And you'll click here for the complete list of IP addresses that will be whitelisted. And then you can click here for workflows and the process of creating workflows. And then you can click this permission sets tab and read about new permission sets. And then click I agree in this checkbox here and click Configure Marketing Cloud Connector. If everything works well, you'll get a configuration summary and you'll get a configuration successful message. And then you'll click OK. And now you've finished the setup wizard and you've completed the managed package configuration.